Quantum consciousness, a concept as captivating as it is complex, may hold the key to understanding our existence. It suggests that our minds are not mere byproducts of biological processes, but intricately woven into the very fabric of reality. This thought-provoking theory resides at the intersection of quantum physics and consciousness, two seemingly disparate realms that, upon closer inspection, may reveal profound connections. Quantum consciousness proposes that our minds and the universe are not separate entities, but are interconnected in ways that defy our traditional understanding of reality. It challenges us to rethink our place in the cosmos, pushing us beyond the boundaries of our perceived world. As we venture into this uncharted territory, we begin to explore theories like quantum entanglement and superposition, shedding light on the mysterious nature of consciousness. As we delve deeper, prepare to question everything you thought you knew about reality. In the realm where quantum physics and consciousness collide, the rules of the game change. Quantum entanglement and superposition, for instance, aren't just abstract theories. They hint at a universe where our thoughts might have tangible effects. Take quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles, no matter how far apart, instantaneously affect each other. This has led some to suggest that our minds too could be entangled with the universe around us. Then there's superposition, the idea that a particle can be in many places at once until observed. This concept brings to light the observer effect, the theory that by simply observing, we may be influencing the outcome. It's a mind-bending proposition. Could it be that our very consciousness is intertwined with the fabric of reality? What if our thoughts, our consciousness, could interact with the quantum world? It's time to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern quantum spirituality. Millennia ago, ancient sages spoke of the world's interconnectivity, an idea now echoed in the quantum principle of entanglement. This principle states that two particles, once linked, remain so regardless of distance, a cosmic dance transcending space and time. Similarly, ancient teachings from the Hindu concept of Indra's net to the Buddhist vision of interdependent co-arising convey a universe where everything reflects and affects everything else. The principle of superposition, where a particle exists in multiple states simultaneously until observed, is another quantum wonder. This stunningly mirrors the ancient Taoist notion of yin and yang, where opposing forces coexist in a state of dynamic equilibrium. These parallels suggest a profound convergence of thought, a unity of the universe articulated both in ancient texts and modern science. The threads of ancient wisdom seem to weave seamlessly into the tapestry of quantum physics. In the grand cosmic design, the divine matrix may be the blueprint. This intriguing concept presents a universal field of energy and consciousness that underpins all existence. To envision it, picture a vast, invisible web, weaving together the fabric of reality. It encapsulates everything from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, and even our thoughts and emotions. Ancient wisdom traditions have long hinted at this. They've spoken of a cosmic web or a divine lattice that connects all of creation. In the Hindu philosophy, it's the concept of Indra's net. In Buddhism, it's the interpenetration of realities. Even contemporary quantum theories echo these ancient insights. Quantum entanglement, for example, suggests an underlying unity, a oneness at the heart of existence. So, the divine matrix is not just a fascinating concept, it's a bridge, a connection point. It's where science meets spirituality, where ancient wisdom aligns with modern understanding. In the divine matrix, we find a common ground between science and spirituality. Max Planck, a visionary, proposed a perspective that transformed our understanding of reality. His proposition was simple yet profound. He suggested that all matter originates from a conscious and intelligent mind, a concept he referred to as the matrix. This idea was a radical departure from traditional scientific thought, placing consciousness at the very heart of existence. Planck's proposition bridges the gap between scientific insights and spiritual interpretations. It suggests that our reality is not merely a cold mechanical universe, but a deeply interconnected web of consciousness. By placing a conscious and intelligent mind at the origin of all matter, Planck redefined the boundaries of our understanding. This perspective shifts our view from a universe happening around us to one happening through us. It paints a picture of reality where we are not just observers, but co-creators, intricately woven into the fabric of existence. Planck's insight invites us to perceive ourselves, not as mere spectators, but as active participants in the dance of the universe.